Getting rid of dandruff involves a mix of lifestyle changes, hair care practices, and sometimes specialized products. Here are some effective steps to help you combat dandruff. First, use AntiDandruff Shampoo. Shampoos containing ingredients like ketoconazole, zinc parathione, salicylic acid, selenium sulfide, or tea tree oil are particularly effective. Regular use is key. Use the shampoo 2 to 3 times per week, allowing it to sit on your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing. Next, maintain a healthy scalp. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells and excess oil. You can use a mild scalp scrub or a soft bristled brush to massage your scalp. And when it comes to conditioning, avoid applying conditioner on your scalp, as it can add extra oils and moisture to the area, worsening dandruff. Moisturize with natural oils. Tea tree oil is known for its antifungal properties. Just a few drops added to your shampoo can help reduce dandruff. Coconut oil helps with moisturizing and has mild antifungal properties too. Massage a small amount into your scalp before washing your hair. Dietary adjustments can also make a difference. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, can help keep your scalp healthy. Probiotics support your immune system and can help reduce skin conditions like dandruff. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods are good sources. Managing stress is key. Stress can contribute to dandruff flare-ups. Consider relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to keep stress levels down. Avoid hair products with alcohol. Hairsprays and gels with high alcohol content can dry out your scalp, making dandruff worse.